What's up? How are you doing? Welcome. Today, I'm breaking down one of the cleanest GBP/USD trades I took on the 5-minute time frame. And when I say clean, I'm talking about tight entry, very small drawdown, and a really solid risk to reward setup. Honestly, setups like these are exactly why I love the New York session. I'll show you how I use imbalance, liquidity, inefficiency, order block, and point of interest to execute this trade step by step. So stick around because the lessons in this one are going to change how you look at the charts. Let's dive in. But before we go to the 5-minute time frame, I will do a quick top-down analysis and also I will mark our chart. In the daily time frame, we are on an uptrend creating this higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So no doubt GBP is dominating the dollar right now. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. In here, as you can see, there is a big imbalance, which the market might react in the future. Let me mark this real quick. And below this imbalance is the 4-hour order block. This is the start of push and momentum of the market. As a smart money trader, we know that this OP is what we so-called the sell to buy candle. In the future, we can set our buy orders in here as the market will surely react into this area. Dropping into the 1 hour, here you can clearly see this liquidity setting below. We know that if there is a liquidity, the market will always come back and get this liquidity. Liquidity is the reason why the market is moving and it is magnet to these zones. You just need to identify and mark it. And also, below this liquidity is the 1-hour OB. The market might react in this area in the future after getting the liquidity. Okay, we zoom out now to see a much clearer view. As you can see, the market is making this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But now it didn't break the higher high. Instead, it created a new lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You might ask, hey Adobs, why is price retracing when the trend is up? The answer is very simple, and take note about this. When the market is impulsively getting a momentum either from the upside or the downside, it always retraces to feel the inefficiency, finding those big imbalances. Also, it will be taking this liquidity, and most importantly, the market will surely come back to their sell to buy order to mitigate their position. But it will take some time to get there. That is why I want you to understand the market. To do that, you need to mark it up by identifying liquidity, order blocks, and imbalances. This is the power of naked trading. We don't need to rely on any indicators, just purely price action and understanding how the market moves from a certain area. Okay, our chart is marked. This is the interesting part as we will be going into our entry. Let me zoom in into our microstructure. See this? This is where our entry happened. Let me drop down to the 5-minute chart. Can you see this liquidity upside? Let me mark this and also the downside. Okay? Can you see this 5-minute order block? Take a picture of this and remember it in your mind, as this will always happen over and over again. Do you want to know the secret sauce? Why this setup work out? You just need to identify the liquidity. Come on, guys. That's it. Liquidity. Okay, let me put a full example for you to understand. Okay, so the market is making this higher high, higher low, higher high. But when it retraces to fill the imbalance, it's slowly making this lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. and creating this microstructure which created liquidity. Now, this is where we enter on the 5-minute chart, right here in this area. Okay, so everything lined up perfectly. So what did I do? I placed a sell limit, not a market order, not chasing price, not entering emotionally, just a calm, planned, and calculated sell limit. You can see my proof right now that I personally entered this trade. In this trade, my stop loss is only 7 pips. My target is around 50 pips. Some people might think that is small, but here's the truth. Pips don't matter. What really matters is the risk to reward ratio. If you focus only on pips, you will always feel limited. But if you focus on risk to reward, you start thinking like a professional trader. This trade was planned for around 1 to 7 RR, but price actually dropped even farther, reaching close to 1 is to 15 risk to reward before pushing back up. By the way, so why it pushed even lower? Let's go to the 1 hour. Can you see our mark? What is this? What is this, guys? The liquidity, right? Remember what I said earlier? The liquidity is the reason why the market moves. So after it gets the liquidity and also topping our 1 hour UBI, the market instantly push back up. This is why I love smart money concepts. If you just practice your eyes and mind, like make it a muscle memory, marking your chart, identify those what I have told you, and you will be shocked this move is happening over and over again. Here's what you should take away from this trade. Always start with higher time frame bias, look for inefficiencies and imbalances, mark liquidity zones, let price come to your area, use limit orders when possible, focus on risk to reward, not pips, and most importantly, be patient. Patience is what separates amateurs from professionals. And that's it. One of the cleanest GBP USD setups I took on the 5-minute time frame. If you found value in this breakdown, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to help grow the channel. We're not just trading here, we're building discipline, we're building skill, we're building consistency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown. Peace out.